Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we simplify your digital life. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer money from your bank to your PayPal account. This is a super handy skill to have, especially if you frequently shop online or need to send money to friends and family. A lot of people ask, can a bank send money to PayPal? And the answer is a big yes. It's actually quite straightforward once you know the steps. Let's dive right in and make this process as easy as possible for you. First, you'll need to log into your PayPal account at paypal.com. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up for one. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Once you're in, head over to your wallet. This is where all your financial information is stored, including your linked bank accounts and cards. You'll find it at the top of the page. The wallet section is your hub for managing your money within PayPal. Next, click on Transfer Money. This button is your gateway to moving funds in and out of your PayPal account. It's a blue button, you can't miss it. This is where the magic happens. From there, choose Add Money from your bank or debit card. Simple, right? This option allows you to pull funds directly from your bank into your PayPal account. Now, if you haven't linked your bank account yet, you'll need to do that first. Linking your bank account is a one-time process and it makes future transfers much easier. Don't worry, it's super easy and secure. PayPal uses advanced encryption to keep your information safe. Just follow the prompts to add your bank details. You'll need your bank account number and routing number, which you can find on your bank's website or on a check. Once your bank is linked, just enter the amount you wish to transfer. You can transfer as much or as little as you need, depending on your balance and PayPal's limits. Double-check everything and then click Add. It's always a good idea to review your details to avoid any mistakes. The transfer will usually take a few business days to process. This waiting period is standard for most bank transfers, so plan accordingly if you need the funds by a certain date. Your money is now on its way to your PayPal balance. You'll receive a notification once the transfer is complete. Easy, convenient, and no need to leave the couch. You can manage your finances from the comfort of your home. So next time you need to add funds to your PayPal, you know exactly what to do. This method is perfect for keeping your PayPal account topped up and ready for any online transactions. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Catch you later. Your support helps us bring you more helpful content.